In this video, we will discuss how to connect JPRO to the vehicle. Following this simple process, technicians can typically connect to the vehicle and read all ECUs in about 1 minute. To begin, click the Connect button in the top left corner of the application. A dialog box will open revealing multiple options for testing and connecting. For a live vehicle connection, technicians will often use one of the middle two options, depending on the class of vehicle. The DLA connectivity test ensures your DLA adapter can properly communicate. Below that is a trailer 7-way adapter connector option for trailer ABS diagnostics. Please note, this option is only available if a Noregon DLA PLC adapter or a Noregon trailer diagnostic adapter is installed. This screen also allows users to access JPRO's virtual truck. The virtual truck simulates a connection to a live vehicle and works as a training aid to experience the power of JPRO without connecting to a truck. While JPRO connects to the truck, notice the top toolbar will not fully illuminate until the process is complete. Once JPRO's diagnostic screen appears, notice the top left of the screen advising that the application is acquiring vehicle information. This indicates JPRO is communicating with the vehicle and receiving information. While this occurs, JPRO captures vehicle data that will be stored in a log file on the computer for future use. More information about log files will be covered in a later chapter in the training series. Upon a completed connection, a color-coded sign will appear in the top left area. A red stop sign indicates there are one or more active faults on the vehicle. A green sign indicates there are no current or active issues found on the vehicle. Lastly, a yellow triangle is indicative of a truck with no active faults, but there is another issue on the vehicle. In this case, an issue with consumable fluids. When it is time to disconnect from the vehicle, it is important to always use the Disconnect button in the toolbar. For full details on all JPRO features, please refer to the JPRO User's Guide.